Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your watch supports NFC and is updated. This avoids wasted steps. Next, enable NFC in the watch settings and make sure the screen stays unlocked while testing. Pair the watch with your phone and open the payment or access app you plan to use. Once done, position the watch near the card reader or tag. Keep movements slow and steady. You do this to establish a clear NFC link and prevent misreads from power-saving interruptions. Now you execute the core interaction. Open the app or wallet on your watch and set it as the default NFC action if required. Then bring the watch face within 1 to 2 centimeters of the reader and hold it steady for 1 to 3 seconds so the antenna aligns. Make sure to watch for a vibration, tone, or on-screen confirmation. These signals confirm data exchange. If you need to repeat, move slightly and try again rather than waving quickly, because alignment matters for reliable communication. Finish by verifying the transaction or pairing. Check the receipt, notification, or paired device list on your phone. Once confirmed, disable NFC if you want to conserve battery and avoid accidental taps. If something goes wrong, try one quick troubleshooting step first. Restart your watch and the reader, then repair the devices if needed. If problems persist, test with another reader to isolate whether the watch or the reader is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.